So for the coffee industry in the Philippines, currently there's an influx of um, Filipinos who is into coffee, as reflected to a lot of brands that are growing in the Philippines. There are many fast coffee players coming in, and also players from outside of the country, which is linked directly to the fact that there are a growing Filipino community who loves the coffee more than anything. One of the main challenge for the coffee industry, especially for Seattle's Best Coffee, is that there are brands who are more established or have established themselves um, apart from Seattle's Best Coffee, and there are also brands who are new to the market, who is also getting that share of pocket with the customers in the Philippine market. In terms of our strategy in order to navigate through these challenges, we put our brand as a brand who is all into innovation. So we always make sure that our brand offers something new to our customers, whether that's our core beverages or another strength for Saddle's Best, which is food items. So we always make sure that we have something that is new for both of those core products of our brand to make sure that we capture the market, whether it's a new customer or a customer that's existing already for the brand. This year is very important for Seattle's Best Coffee because we are celebrating our 25th anniversary. So you can expect a lot of things happening for the brand. Apart from that, we will continue to amplify our brand awareness and, of course, create new products. Again, whether that's beverages or food items, we will make sure that the brand will continue to be the best because that's what we are. That's what our customers is. What the customers know known about Seattle's Best Coffee. So we will continue to harp on that.